was an eye-opening experience because we got first-hand exposure through the collaboration of SODIC and LAYN with the Innovation Hub.
It was an interesting experience because we got to see our projects come to life through 3D printing.
This partnership is a proof of how the academia and the private sector, when they work together, synergies occur. Such a collaboration proves that when academia works hand in hand with the private sector, you can actually validate the products faster, and disillusionment between these two worlds does not exist anymore.
Our group concept was brainwaves, and my individual project was focused more on theta waves and how they help us innovate. And when we're daydreaming, this is, in my opinion, it's where we innovate the most.
So basically this course is a computational design course for architecture. We use different softwares in order to produce innovative structures. And in this course we collaborated with the Innovation Hub. We were creating a pavilion for their 2026 summit.
It was a very hectic journey, but at the end when we saw the posters, it was a very fruitful experience. We learned new techniques about architecture.
Very special milestone in one of our flagship programs that we are having with two of our special partners, SODIC and LAYN, where we managed to create a special intervention related to experiential learning with architecture department, where students across the semester have been working very closely with our industry partners and with our esteemed faculty to come up with innovative, disruptive design for 3D concrete printing.
And all throughout the semester, we have been providing mentorship through guest lectures within the course.
Because usually all our projects are hypothetical, so the idea of working with the Innovation Hub and getting constant feedback on our projects was really helpful.
It wasn't only a theoretical process, there was also a practical part to it, and I got to see my model being printed.